Cash movement report. A cash movement report is a document that shows the inflows and outflows of cash for a specific period. You can access this report from Banking, Reports, Cash Movement. From report filters, you can select bank accounts. You can select active, inactive, or both accounts. You can select bank account category. From report options, you can select date range. If you want to view zero balance accounts, you can check Show Zero Balance Accounts checkbox. Hit View Report button. You can view bank account, balance brought forward, cash received, cash paid out, total transfers, balance carried forward. If you select quarterly, yearly, or all from date range, system will group transactions by monthly. You can view January, February, March like that. Cash movement report will group by monthly based on the date range you are selecting. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, and Excel, and you can print or email this report.